Here it is, the moment we've been waiting for, buncha tacos with actual fish sauce inside. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this. I have lived in Asia for 10 years now, and no matter where I go or how good the food is, there is always one thing I still crave. And I know I'm not the only one. Whether you want to call it Mexican or Tex-Mex inspired.
Whoa, the toppings create like this sheet.
The popularity of tacos around the world has produced some awesome flavor fusion.
This is a buncha taco.
Wow. Sometimes they'll resemble tacos you grew up with.
These are cute sized tacos.
They are.
And sometimes they're almost unrecognizable as tacos.
Definitely never had cottage cheese in a taco. That's beautiful. Look at this.
Right now, I am with Saigon local and best ever food review show producer, Me. Tell me everything you know about tacos, and don't hit those people.
I heard a lot about taco. So far, I haven't had a real taco.
Are you saying taco?
It's
more
right.
like a O sound, like taco.
Oh, taco.
I can see how that would be confusing if you just read it without knowing. We are on a mission for taco discovery in Saigon, Vietnam, but first we are headed to Vatos Urban Tacos in Seoul, South Korea to see how they are changing the taco game. When I think Korean cuisine, I think fresh whole foods mixed with strong flavors like sesame oil and ssamjang sauce, and cooking piles of meat at my table.
Whoa.
Today I'm headed to Vatos Urban Tacos to meet my buddy Kenny. He and a couple other Korean American friends have created the perfect blend of Korean and Mexican flavors.
We have come to Seoul, South Korea to the kitchen of Vatos Urban Tacos. Now, why not Vatos Suburban Tacos?
Because nothing really cool happens in the suburbs.
The Galbi short rib taco, one of their signature items and one I can't wait to try. It starts off by warming a masa corn and wheat flour tortilla.
We want to get it nice and moist.
My audience really likes that word when describing food, moist.
First, gochujang and samjang aioli. Galbi short rib that we cooked off a little earlier. I don't know a single person that doesn't like Korean galbi. We have some slaw that we cut off. There's a lot of meat in the tacos, so you need something to kind of balance it out.
Right.
Some freshness. Chopped red onions, fresh chopped cilantro to go on top of that. Roasted sesame seeds.
And that's it?
That's it.
Alongside our tacos, the best panchan in Seoul. Kimchi carnitas fries, loaded with braised carnitas, sauteed kimchi, cheese, cilantro, onion, sour cream, and hot sauce.
Whoa, the toppings create like this sheet.
Let's go for it.
That is so satisfying. That's the definition of a comfort food for me. And it's got some nice spicy kick, sour kimchi. I was wiping a tear.
To wash it all down, their makalita, a margarita made with fermented Korean rice wine, orange juice, and tequila.
How many shots of alcohol are in this?
A lot.
I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try that really quick.
You're gonna like that.
Instant alcoholic. I'm already getting that flushedness. Cleanse the palate. Tacos. Some people eat them facing up and they don't tilt their head. How do you feel about that? There is a right way, but we're gonna demonstrate right now. We'll hit it with a little bit of lime. Very nice. Let's go for it.
That was the perfect method.
Kamsamnida. Wow, that galbi, deliciously sweet. A little bit of heat from that sauce. Guys, do you want to see the taco interior?
Two-bite tacos. I like that.
They're so good.
Can't tell if we're at a Korean barbecue restaurant outside of that tortilla, right?
You put Korea into a taco.
With this Galbi short rib masterpiece crossed off my list, I'm headed to a city where I never expected to find tacos of any kind. Delhi, India. India is a food lover's paradise. Rich, contrasting flavors, huge variety, and a ton of creativity. My first Indian love was palak paneer. Masala, pureed spinach, and plenty of paneer, or Indian cottage cheese.
Two huge discs of cheese. This one is just a pure white paneer. What is this one?
That's called masala paneer. It has coriander leaves, ginger, cumin, and chilies.
Pretty intense.
India is hugely vegetarian, so today's taco will be meat-free, but still packing in the cottage cheese.
Right now, I'm in the kitchen with Chef Pavan here in New Delhi, India, and he's gonna show me how he's making tacos with an Indian twist. Let's do this.
Today I've come to Junglee Billee in New Delhi, a restaurant known for fusing international cuisine with Indian flavors. And right now, Chef Pavan is whipping up some one-of-a-kind tacos.
We'll be making a moong dal crepe basically, and we'll be converting that thing into a taco. It's a mixture of yellow lentils and besan made from the gram flour.
To me, this must be the hardest part.
Absolutely. So meanwhile our taco shells are being made, let's make the mixture. We call it Paneer Rousey. It's a mixture of different vegetables and cottage cheese.
Never had cottage cheese in a taco.
So we'll take some oil, cumin seeds, some garlic, then the cottage cheese. Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
From there, a flavor avalanche, starting with red chili powder, turmeric, then his own blend of masalas he calls Kitchen King.
Bell peppers at the last so that they can give the crunch, and we'll give a touch of cream.
Oh, it smells great already. Super fragrant.
Most important thing, seasoning. So I'll just try it.
Yeah, so much flavor.
Yeah.
But still like pretty light. Doesn't feel heavy. I love it. The shells are perfect.
Put some of this mixture.
Load it up with that cheese.
And then mint chutney, and then tamarind glaze, now the garnish part.
And that's it. That's beautiful. Like a work of art. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try it out.
The perfect taco sidekick, their signature cocktail called Indian Girl, well suited to a restaurant that serves as a shrine to 1970s Bollywood, made simply with vodka, tamarind, and a green chili.
Wow, that is a spicy. It's like a Bloody Mary without any of the tomato in there. If you're gonna make a vegetarian taco, just slam that thing full of cheese, and that's what he's done. We're gonna jump into these right away. Spritz on a little bit of lime. And that lentil powder made a perfect little shell. It's working. It's really working. It's holding it all together. Let's go for it. Wow, he's done it. The tamarind glaze is so tangy and sweet, in a nice contrast to that masala that's in the paneer. And there's just a massive amount of that cottage cheese inside with a little bit of the cabbage for some nice texture. Tacos in India, but yeah, love it.
Even without the meat, there was no absence of outstanding flavor.
Welcome back to Saigon Vietnam, where we are just pulling up at our final taco destination.
Vietnam, insanely fresh street food on every corner, complex broths that start before the sunrise, and each meal containing perfect balance, pairing heavy and light, salty and sweet, always with a ton of herbs on the side.
Today we're going to Nonla Guys. We're trying their bún chả taco.
Bún chả.
Yeah. Good pronunciation. Somehow they've taken the flavors of bún chả and they've put it into a taco, and I cannot wait to see how they do it.
Nonla Guys. 3 Korean dudes wanted to create a Mexican fusion restaurant in Saigon, Vietnam, and here it is. With the iconic Nonla, or Vietnamese conical hat as its logo. With the menu featuring their tortilla-busting spicy chicken burrito and their mysterious bún chả taco.
When I came to Vietnam to travel, the food that we fall in love with is bún chả. We thought that, okay, we can order bún chả into taco and all the foreigners, all the locals would like it.
Born in Hanoi, bún chả is a combination of rice vermicelli and grilled pork, both mixed in a small bowl with an addictive nuoc cham, a dipping sauce made from fish sauce, with a huge pile of herbs on the side.
It's a bún chả meat. We marinate with garlic, pepper, and of course fish sauce. Now I start to kind of stir fry.
After warming the flour tortilla, it gets a load of their fish sauce infused pork.
Some romaines, there's some sesame sauce, and we put some ingredients in it, give some Asian taste on it. Sour cream. And this is the bún chả taco.
That looks really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Joining this fusion feast, their own bún chả quesadilla, using plenty of cheese, their same juicy bún chả meat, onion, and the same sauce treatment as their tacos.
Over time, this dish has been cultivated to suit the taste of local Vietnamese people. That means they put in fish sauce and they put in sugar and some other things too. Right here we have a bún chả quesadilla, bún chả with cheese. I want to just kind of open it up. Oh my lord. How does that look? Let's try it out. Oh.
Oh my god, I can taste the fish sauce.
So delicious. The quesadilla is perfectly crispy. There's a good amount of cheese. I like a very cheesy quesadilla. I think there's no vegetables. I also like that. The meat itself, fresh, sour, sweet fish sauce flavor.
I never can imagine that the fish sauce can go very well with the cheese like this.
Our bún chả taco here, it's got some lime on the side. We're gonna put just a little spritz of lime on top. Do you know how to eat a taco?
No, show me.
All right, you have to put your head to the side. It's a key part of it. Bam. Oh, this is so delicious. The flour tortilla, so perfectly soft, chewy, hugging all the ingredients together like a duck, keeping its ducklings warm on a rainy spring day.
They marinated the meat so well.
Oh my gosh, wow. What's happening? And you don't put it down. It's one of your first tacos. I think you're doing a great job.
It's the best taco I ever had.
Yeah, oh, it's pretty easy, huh? If you like this taco video and you want to see more tacos from around the world, click the like button. And also for you guys, this video was made possible by One Trip Vietnam. One Trip is the highest rated tour company in Vietnam, doing tours from north to south. Right now in Hanoi, Da Nang, Hoi An, and Saigon, you can experience food tours, adventure tours, and more. To learn more about One Trip, check out the links in the description down below. I will see you next time. A peace.
Za.
Huh? Za, like pizza?